This is an update to my last video on the smoke alarm section at my local Walmart. So, starting, we have AMI A3051SB, Kita P3010L, AMI CH3511SC, 20 SAR. Oh, here's more of these, by the way. 20 SAR, AMI 1061 SB, 20 SD10, 20 SA10, 20 SD10V, CAN-COB LP3. This is new. CAN-COPP LPM, C3010, C3010D, CAN-COB DP2. Looks like they have CAN-COPP 3s. Here's a battery operated knock safety sensor alarm. Here are some plug-in models, and here's some more plug-in models. CAN-COB LP3 or LP2 and 20 SD10 value pack. AMI C1510SB, 30 CD10. Here's some batteries. Here's some fire extinguishers, flame out. Here's some fire extinguishers. 60 WLDR-W. And up here, here's an I-1040 CAN-COB LP2 value pack. And this isn't actually the end of it because I'm going to show you one more thing using a bit of editing magic. Here we go. Here is a selection of Kita I-9010s. Here's some here, and here's some more here. Alright, hope you all like this quick video. I will see y'all soon.